So the collaboration with Mutina started, I think, 15 years ago. And they came to Paris. They were tiles manufacturer, and they wanted, I think, a new direction, new blood in a certain way. I'm very close to Massimo, which is the owner of the company. He is fascinated by tiles, fascinated by ceramic, fascinated by art. We are doing a lot of different things, from almost art pieces to edition. So in this edition there is 4 families. First family are Camino and Camini. It's vases made by 5 pieces of ceramic glued together, and then a tube of aluminium and a last piece in ceramic, so it's a vase. Then there is Finestra e Finestro, which are vases with, again, vases with decoration in it. Then there is a system of candeliere, when you put candles. And the last collection of vases based on different shape, and especially sphere on the perimeter of the piece. I think it's very important for companies that, of course, they do what they have to do, so their main subject, but to speak about a larger world, so it means doing object, doing research, doing pieces in other contexts. So I think it's a way to explain, to show the company's soul, the company mood, the company atmosphere, and for me that's me, of course. My pleasure of working in different fields, from industry to craft, because I think that industry is very important to do project for everybody. In same times, it's important to work with craftsmen. It's important to this subject very well in Japan, how to preserve certain technique and the beauty of small companies, the beauty of a small atelier and craftsmanship. I'm interested in a lot of subjects in this world. For me, there is a lot of way to create. I think I like to design a chair that will be everywhere in the world, like a song. It means that when you design a good industrial project, it's like a song in a certain way. When it's a good seller, bestseller, yes, you can see this chair on a terrace in Japan. In a garden in France, in a garbage in America. I like this democratic project, and it's very important for me. But in the same time, I'm a creator that like to work on research, on shape, on beauty. I'm fascinated by industry, but sometimes fascinated by craftsmanship, so it's why I go so often in Japan. I have a lot of interest, so I don't know how to define myself. Maybe as a schizophrenic, maybe.